Got my son and my daughter right here. And we have doctor's appointments today. That's right. We have a doctor's appointment. We got a doctor's appointment, guys? That's right. With Dr. Diabolical. Y'all ready for this? Let's check it out.
Six Flags, Fiesta, Texas. I guess I wasn't good enough to make the cut for our media day. But it is what it is, man. But I'm here to give you guys some up-close footage of Dr. Diabolical. We got a great song, Runaway Train, going on right now. But yep, it's opening for past members today. And it's opening for the general public tomorrow at noon. So this video might be up today, should be up today, and I actually see Dr. Diabolical moving the tracks over there. So let's head over there. So we're gonna go in the queue line, check it out. The inside where Dr. Diabolical's creations are. We gotta do the whole track though. Alright, so it looks like we have to wait in this front corridor area, and then those doors will eventually open, and we have a bunch of surprises in there for sure.
Again, really? You can't believe our boss, the self-proclaimed.
We have blueprints to Dr. Diabolical's master plan.
Dr. Diabolical is making us work. You sound so ridiculous right now. I thought she knew about it and let us all know it because she understood what my lunch is for.
Do I make the cutoff or? Okay, alright, we're good. This is it. Bye-bye. This is really neat, guys. I'm impressed. And there she is, Dr. D.
Hello and welcome, beloved visitors. You must be so excited to finally meet me. Of course, I am Dr. Diabolical, the creator of the only product in the world of its kind. Dr.
That looks like the owl from Clash of the Titans.
I know you're anxious to receive your sample. I promise.
She even got a deer head up in here. That's hilarious.
And while we prepare the samples in the next room, prepare yourselves for newfound youth. Robot! Tell our guests what my elixir promises to deliver.
Dr. Diabolical's elixir promises to deliver absolutely magical results.
Ooh, magically devastating results. Please, leave while you can.
Each sample of the elixir is curated by Dr. Diabolical to uniquely treat each individual need.
Oh, sorry.
You are all in grave danger. Please, heed my warnings. Leave this place or it will be too late.
Move forward through the corridor. You will receive your elixir sample and your instantaneous results. Quickly now, there's no time to waste.
Oh, there it goes, man. Check it out. It's like a secret compartment door. It's time. I guess those guys are just hanging out. Some workers. She's such a cutie. I like Dr. Diabolical.
Extractor. It's located above your head. Hurry! Move quickly!
Hello again.
This is really neat. I totally dig this.
I wanted to let you all in on a little secret. The real reason you are all here. My extraction machine! Confused? Oh, you thought there was actually a miracle elixir? How sweet. There is an elixir.
I love that
Of
fire.
sorts.
That's cool.
This torturous extraction device will rip your fear and adrenaline from you bit by bit. Your fear will feed my army of ravenous creatures. Robot! Turn on the machine.
Warning! Critical error!
My machine! You fools! You broke my precious machine!
Now's your chance! You must leave at once! The extractor mechanism is malfunctioning and appears to be broken.
No matter. The new, bigger extractor machine is ready for testing. What lies ahead will do the job of 100 extraction machines. Fear not. Actually, go ahead. Fear.
Do not get on the extractor machine. Get out of here. But why is no one listening? You must escape.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Going the wrong way. Do not get on the machine.
That is pretty wicked, man. I totally dig it.
Give in to the terror. Give in to your fear.
Alright, so they have this locker system here where you scan your card and a door will pop open or something. Watch.
I can finally feed my army of creatures.
Maybe.
It's going to be beautiful. Give in to the terror.
So here we go. Alright, maybe somebody. There it goes. It popped open. So see, when you scan it, it pops open.
Feed the machine. We need your brain. We need
And then you enter this way. And when you come out and you exit, you scan the same thing. And that same door will open on this side. And you just keep on moving when you exit from this side. It's pretty neat. And then as we go this way, I'm not going to ride it this time. Then we could go through the gift shop. How cool is this? And we have tons of Dr. Diabolical Cliffhanger merchandise. Even cowboy hats. She's part cowboy. And these are some cool fans right here, man. I always see them every time. They're pretty cool. And then there's where your photos are. And everything that you need to see. Really cool. Really, really, really cool. Hey, SpookYouLaterz, man. Thanks, man.
What's up, man?
How you doing, brother? Oh, thank you, sir. All right, so I'm gonna go get my kids. And if you don't want to ride the ride, you just do what I just did. If you want to ride the ride, you keep going straight once you put your stuff in, and you're good to go. Wicked, man. All right, so this is the bricks that you were able to purchase, and SpookYouLaterz definitely has one. Can I go in there and look at my brick? See if I can find my brick? All right, see if you guys can find my brick. Oh, that's a lot. This is like a maze here. All right, see if you see one. I think I got one with this, with the 30th. So you'd have to look for one of those. But there's my brick, man. I'm permanently etched here. It's SpookYouLaterz. Yeah, see? SpookYouLaterz. Fright Fest Junkie. That's right, man. I love Fright Fest. How cool is that? I gotta dust it, man. I'm gonna have to come lay some flowers here every time I come. How cool. Uncle Nick put one here. Here she goes. I like how they put Dr. Diabolical's voice in the background there. that's pretty cool. Whoa, you do. Oh, dude, if you sit on that right-hand side, you're gonna be like right next to the ground. So yeah, there's definitely gonna be different experiences as you ride Dr. Diabolical. If you're riding in the front, obviously the back, middle row, left or the right. So you definitely have to do it over and over and over to experience all the different, the different scenarios. You ready? Let's go over here. Let's check it out. That thing is fast. It's even hard to capture that.
That's not enough! Not nearly enough! Scream! Louder! Scream!
Get it, son?
That's not enough! Not nearly enough! Scream! Louder! Scream!
So you don't want to do it, Harps? It's just one dude.